those, oh man. Let's call DMK, see if we can fix that knife. Oh man, I really hope he's working.
Hello, DMK. How may I help you?
Oh yeah, I'm looking for D-Man. Yeah, I'm over here and got my dog. My dog bit my knife, believe it or not. Ruined the blade. Any chance I can mail that out to you and you fixing that thing?
Okay. Just ship it out to us and we'll get right on it.
All right, yeah, I'll do that. I'll mail it out as soon as possible. Yeah, crazy dog I have here. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, time to get this out to the shop. Get that repair going. Okay, Kathy, I have another order here for you.
Right to it. Mr. Rusty, what the heck? Step 1. Grind a straight line. Cut an edge on her. Guys, hope you like it, Mr. Rusty B. Bye!
All right, package from DMK. Yeah. God damn it, those are not again. What the damn dog? Look what you did. This damn dog. Anyways, let me open this package up. I hope this blade's nothing wrong with it. I'm using my DMK USA. Shout out to you, man, for letting me purchase this piece. I know you didn't want to get rid of it, but yeah, thanks again. Lucky dog. Alright, hopefully there's nothing wrong with this. There we go. God damn it! Dozer! God damn it! That's it.